What's up, guys? Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking through once again. And this is a bit of a different video because, as you know, I am currently in quarantine. Today is day 3 of my quarantine, and finally it's the day that I actually get to go outside and get some exercise. So I'm like fully dressed in exercise gear. I just want to do some skipping. You know, I haven't walked in 2 days basically because I had to be in quarantine for the past 2 days, and I took my COVID test yesterday and it came back negative this morning. So I just got my COVID test. Turns out I actually have to do it myself. I have to viral swab myself, nose and mouth here, and put it in here. Instructions. This is gonna be interesting. Very interesting. So I'm really excited to just get some fresh air, some fresh, you know, just to feel like I'm in the country, just to feel human again, because I think I'm losing my mind already. But it's okay. It's giving me time to rest. It's giving me time to do this journal. It's giving me time to just catch up on a few admin stuff, as well as just to set some manifestations and things, goal setting and things that I want to achieve during this time. So it's giving me really time to just think and read and just come to self and pray. And all of those spiritual things. The food, guys, has been interesting. Like it just tastes different. The chicken tastes different. The bacon, the pork tastes different. It's gonna take some time for me to get used to it. Actually, my breakfast has arrived. Let me grab that quickly. So the breakfast comes in this kind of like tray. Usually there's a whole bunch of fruit and water and stuff like that, but I didn't order that because there's a bunch that I haven't eaten from the previous days. And today I ordered an omelet for breakfast, guys. When it came, I was like, what did I order yesterday? Why does it look like a big creme brulee? What? This is my omelet. That is the omelette. The omelette du fromage. Yeah. I don't know why it looks like that and how the heck they got it like that. Anyways, I'm gonna save this for after my workout so that I at least have something to eat. I have an orange as well that I can eat on my way back when I came. Your English, I'm your bed. English, I'm your bed right now. I'm gonna take you guys outside with me so that you can kind of see and get an idea of what is going on. But before I do that, when I arrived, I did a bit of a room tour of my room so that you can see where I'll be staying. Go check out the room tour in 3, 2, 1. This is the entry door and cupboard. This is obviously a room for one person, so this is more than enough closet space. I'll probably put out just the clothes that I'm gonna wear for the next couple of days. And then these are my bags that I came with, and as you walk in, this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Really nice, I must say. It's gonna be a very comfortable stay. I'm really grateful. Nice big shower head. I don't want to get my hair wet, but it's gonna slap being in there. Okay, then we have a ceiling to floor mirror here. Of course, we have the coffee and tea section over here, fully kitted. And they dropped off some snacks for me as well, just to, you know, have something to snack on. That's really cute. Some nice wall art here. Hello London, hello sunshine. That's me, I'm the sunshine. And this is the main section of the room, guys. It's the bed. There's an area for me to eat and lounge and work, because I am going to have to do a bit of work as well, in preparation for registration and going into varsity. And yo guys, iphela lapho room tour. We have a TV. There's not much of a view. This is basically other people's rooms, of course. So we're basically inside the hotel. I can pretty much say that we're inside the hotel. And yeah, man, that is the quick and short and sweet room tour of where I'm going to be staying for the next 10 days before I officially move into my accommodation. And I really love the room that I got, and I'm really excited to officially move in. Awesome guys, I hope you enjoyed the room tour. Anyways, let's call the security, tell them that I'm ready to go outside. I've tested negative. I just need to quickly grab, I think all the things that I'm taking actually are here, and then they have to escort me out, go with me to the outside area. So let's go. Hi there, can I please request for security to escort me outside, please? Outside, yes. I'm at the Holiday Inn. Yes, thank you. Now we wait for the security to come knock on my door.
346 minutes later.
So I am still waiting for them to come get me. Like, I called 20 minutes ago and I'm still waiting. So I'm gonna order food. In the meantime, I'm gonna show you guys how we have to order food. So we have to order food for the next day, scan a QR code, and then order our food for the next day. So I have to scan that, right, and then choose my meals. So then I have to choose between breakfast, lunch and dinner, and then the condiments that I want. Peri-peri chicken breast served with tofu potatoes. Chicken breast is dry, but anyways, let me just take a dessert. What's a tray break? What's a tray bake? A tray bake. Lemon tray bake. Let me Google that. That's one of the desserts they have for dinner. Lemon tray bake. What is there, share? Oh, it's like a custard slice. Okay, I guess I'll try that. Don't know what's taking so long for these people to come. So I'm on my way downstairs now, finally. I can go. Let's do this. Whew. Just finished my workout. It feels so amazing to be outside. There's a lot of people outside. Not a lot, but quite a lot of people are coming out, obviously, because it's almost midday now. Had a good workout. I think I was just excited to be outside. I've made a very interesting observation, guys. Ever since I've touched down in the country, I haven't been asked to sanitize, not once since I've touched down in the UK. There's a plane flying overhead. I haven't been asked to sanitize, not once. Ngendlela si-sanitize ngakhona in South Africa. Ngisho door to door in the mall. Ngisho door to door everywhere. Door to door, you stay sanitizing. But yeah, I think they just kind of expect people to just do it anyway, you know? I'm just going to enjoy the sun and the outdoors for like the next 20 minutes or so. Then I'm gonna head back in to shower, have something to eat, and do some admin. So yeah, good start to the week. Food has arrived. Let me take you through what I got today. So I ordered vegetable samosas, a salmon sandwich, and water. I think this was a good choice to make. Yay! I am excited to eat. I'm hungry. So I just got confirmation that my English test results just came in. I am opening it now. Let's see. I'm so nervous, guys. I'm so nervous. Remember, the last English test I did okay, but I failed my reading section. So let's see. Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh, I got 7 and above. My average is 8 out of 10. Honey, cum laude, honey, cum laude. And we're good to go, honey. She has comprehension of the Queen's English, you know.
Much later. So
I got my laundry done. Shout out to the hotel. They do laundry, like 7 items or so. Obviously they know Guti. Obviously you're not using all of your clothes, so they keep it to 7 items for free, complimentary. So shout out to Holiday Inn, honey. The service has been impeccable. Dinner is served. Burger. Oh, you have my middle name as well. Purchase your tracks today. Okay, not me editing this video and realizing I didn't even do a sign off. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it through the entire thing, if you haven't watched my previous videos, please do so now, and check out my channel and all the other fabulous videos and wealth of content that I've done previously. I'm officially back on YouTube, so expect lots of content coming your way. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you were also experienced quarantine and how it was for you and what you got up to. I would love to know. But other than that, I'm gonna leave it right here until the next video. Ciao for now.